How to buy Bread on Coinbase wallet. Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bread on Coinbase wallet. First, launch your web browser on your mobile device and in the search bar, type in coinmarketcap/currencies/Bread. Once you're in that page, all you have to do is to scroll down and here you will find the contract address. Copy this and launch your Coinbase wallet. Once you're in, tap in the browser tab at the bottom and then among the given swaps, tap on Uniswap. It will then redirect to the website of Uniswap where you'll have to force connect your Coinbase wallet in it. Then, tap on this drop-down button and then select Ethereum. Next, tap on this Select Token drop-down arrow, then paste the contract address we copied in the search bar or search Bread. Then press I understand. Once done, enter the amount of Ethereum you would like to swap with Bread, then click on Swap. And that's it. Once swapped, you'll easily be able to purchase the swapped Bread. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!